Mantra is a two-part Sanskrit word, mantra. Man means mind, and tra is transcend.
Chanting is about becoming yourself.
Like folders of energetic sound.
It's taught me freedom.
I was empty inside. I was searching for something that made sense.
If I did not chant with people, I wasn't going to make it.
The way that the world's going now with so much media and such an oversaturation of information.
There has to be something that comes back to the pace of the body.
When a person starts the meditation practice a couple of months later, their brain had actually changed.
We began to have the experience of sounds affecting us and healing us.
That's beyond belief and beyond knowledge.
I never heard something which touched me so deeply. I feel free.